Hey guys, what's up? I just got this new pump. I am personally going to be using it for my bike, but also to keep it in my car as a backup. But I wanted something nice and easy for my bike specifically. But I just thought we'd do a quick unboxing and have a look, and I'll let you know what I think about the quality and the setup. You have this what seems to be pretty relatively small user manual, which is nice. Looks pretty straightforward. And I will say this packaging is pretty nice. Not that that's the most important thing, but it is some pretty sweet packaging. All right, take a look at that. I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed just kind of at what it feels like and looks like right out of the box. Seems well made, pretty heavy duty. I love this kind of like, I don't know if it's like a matte look or something here. And then we'll get into the screen and all this in a second. I kind of feel something in here. I'm wondering if it's like a pouch. We'll just open that up and see. Oh, yeah. Need this. Need the hose, right? This seems pretty well made. I love this type of hose. It has this like texture on it. I'm a big texture person. So anyway, these are what the joints of it look like. Everything seems high quality, heavy duty, really well made. Okay, then we have these here. Of course, you've got like this ball pump option, so that's nice. And then there is a pouch, so something to put it all in, which is great. Like all of that. Now let's take a closer look at this. I'm gonna just go ahead and peel this off. This is really satisfying, honestly. Woo! Look at how pretty that is. Things never stay that pretty, right? When you first pull these off. Okay, so here we have the place I'm sure that the hose is going to go into. This looks like that's going to be a power button of some sort. This is USB and this is USB-C. Let me see. Oh, we have this this charging port here. And so that, I would imagine, usually when you're charging something like this, you put the USB into the wall side and USB-C here. I'll have to read the manual about that and what exactly the USB part is for. Maybe it's got two different charging options. And then of course here on the front you've got, oh, I guess that's not a power button. That might actually be like a flashlight or something. Anyway, I'll have to look. All right, then we have power. Oh, this is the light. Let me see if I need to turn the power on first. So I just held that for about 3 seconds. And you can see it's on the car setting, how much your pressure you're going to be getting. And that's your battery life, which is pretty sweet. But let's try the flashlight, because I bet that's what that is. Yep, okay, we're right. That was a flashlight. Oh, it's got a flashing light. Red, kind of like warning light. So 3 operations, right? Regular, flashing, and then flashing red. Okay. And all right, let's take a look-see here. This piece looks like it fits in here. And then it just snaps right on. So that's nice. And then you have this end here. I think that little toggle inside is what keeps, like, it probably needs to be adjusted when it's pressed into a tire or a ball or whatnot. Let's go ahead and hit this. Okay, that is going to change the mode. So you saw it went from, I forget what it was car, bike, or maybe that's like motorcycle, and then that's bicycle. And that's like a ball inflation. And this is the picture of a person. So I wonder what that would be for. Not really sure, but let's just try and see if I hit. Ooh! Wow! I definitely feel the air coming out of that. That was pretty cool. It kind of stunned me a little bit. Pretty sweet. Okay, let's see. Let's try maybe for a ball. I don't think it doesn't like change modes while it's going. So I tried to press the button and it didn't change over, which makes sense. You shouldn't change in the middle of something. But let's try for the bicycle. Okay, man, this is pretty sweet. It has these little rubber things on the bottom. And that's gonna, I'm sure, help it stand in place if you're using it. But yeah, this is pretty awesome. I also have a camper van, so I might actually keep this in my camper van. Could be helpful with several different things. Obviously, tires if you ever have a problem. But I like that it has a flashlight too, because that's pretty awesome. Okay, well, I hope this was helpful for you. Seems really well made. Pretty straightforward in its usage. And yeah, I hope this was helpful for you. Have a great day.